Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP data element. So data elements describe the individual fields in the ABAP data dictionary, and they are the smallest indivisible units of the complex types, and they are used to define the type of table field, structure component or row type of a table, and information about the meaning of a table field, and also information about editing the corresponding screen field could be assigned to a data element, and this information is automatically available to all the screen fields that refer to the data element. Data elements describe either elementary types or reference types. Table field uses data element uses domain. Creating data elements. So before creating a new data element, you need to check whether any existing data elements have the same semantic specification required in your table field, and if so, you may use that existing data element, and you can assign the data element with a predefined type, domain or reference type. So the procedure for creating the data element: go to transaction SE11, select the radio button for data type in the initial screen of ABAP dictionary, and enter the name of the data element. Then click the create button, and you may create data elements under the customer namespaces, and the name of the object always start with Z or Y. Check the data element radio button on the create type pop-up that appears with 3 radio buttons: data element, structure or table type. Click the green checkmark icon and you are directed to the maintenance screen of the data element. Enter the description in the short text field of the maintenance screen of the data element, and in this case it is customer data element, and you cannot enter any other attribute until you have entered this attribute. Assign the data element with the type, and you can create an elementary data element by checking elementary type, or a reference data element by checking reference type. And you can assign a data element to a domain or predefined type with an elementary type and with the name of reference type of reference to predefined type with reference type. Enter the fields for short text, medium text, long text and heading in the field label tab, and you can press enter and the length is automatically generated for these labels. Save your changes. The create object directory entry pop-up appears and asks for a package, and you may enter the package name in which you are working. And if you do not have any package, then you may create an object navigator, or you can save your data element using local object button. Activate your data element. Click the activate icon or press Ctrl plus F3 to activate the data element. A pop-up window appears listing the 2 currently inactive objects, and at this point the top entity labeled ETL with the name is underscore cust is to be activated, and as this is highlighted, click the green tick button. The window disappears and the status bar will display a message object activated. If error messages or warnings occurred when you activated the data element, the activation log is displayed automatically, and the activation log displays information about activation flow. You can also call the activation log with utilities activation log. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.